Hi, I'm Jane Dearwester with McIntyre Elder Law. A question that we get quite often is after we prepare estate planning documents for our client, they ask us, what do I do with these documents now? Well, a quick answer is you want to put the originals in a fire-safe place. We also give them to you in a big, nice binder. I actually have mine just in my office at home, so I need to follow my own advice and probably put those in a fire-safe. And I've also had some other estate planning attorneys that say, put it in a safe inside your freezer. This is a place that even if your house burns down, likely the freezer will still be intact because of all of the insulation and the way refrigerators, freezers are made these days. But another great way to preserve those documents, if your originals are destroyed, we have eDocs access, which is a bank level encrypted digital access to all of your estate planning documents. Now, this wouldn't preserve the original will, of course, but wills can still be probated if the original is lost. There is a process to go through that we can do that. So you want to keep the documents not only in a safe place and have access to those set up online and give that online access to your loved ones. You not only want to keep those original documents safe, but you want to let your loved ones know where they're physically located. So sometimes we hear from people who are looking for the documents and they look in the safe, they look under the bed, they look in the closet, can't find these documents anywhere. So make sure you let your loved ones know, the people that you named as your agent or your executor in your will, let them know where the original documents are. We look forward to helping you with your estate planning documents, so please give us a call at our Hendersonville, Shelby, or Charlotte offices.